It's a late night reading. I have to be quiet. So I'm hearing like somebody screaming for help without making a sound. Look at that. 9 of Wands, 10 of Cups. Like fighting for your happiness. Oh my God. I'm so sorry, Colin. I don't know. I feel like Spirit's telling you that, saying with the 9 of Wands, you've been carrying all this quietly. 10 of Pentacles. So everybody thinks you're fine. You've been screaming for help without making a sound. Sorry, Colin. That felt right. What's going on? What's this about? She's reversed. Look at this. 6 of Pentacles in reversed. Oh my God, babe. Look at you. This is what you put on. This is at the bottom. You've been the warrior. You are literally the emergency contact for everybody. This is in reverse, 6 of Pentacles. This is not giving and receiving. You're the emergency contact for everybody, and nobody's yours. Like specifically, I'm seeing you sent 2 text messages this week. Like, hey, you good? To 2 different people, to the same person, whatever. But you sent and nobody sent the same thing back to you. Like nobody asked you. Like, because I feel like you're the kind of person, you're solving crisis. Like you're solving people's crisis on speakerphone, but then you go and eat a cold dinner by yourself. Like, babe, that's not strength, right? That's imbalance. You're imbalanced, and it's like starting to bruise. It's starting to bruise right now. You have to focus on that. Look at you fighting hard. You don't want people to see this, babe. Who do you call when you need help, right? Who do you call? 9 of Cups in reversed. He's gonna wake up. This is the smile. Look at this. This is your joy and your happiness. This is the smile that you plaster on every single day, so that everybody doesn't have to worry. It's literally costing you every single joy. That fake smile of yours is costing every single joy and happiness that's left within you. Like really, I can feel it. Like I'm seeing like your coffee. You let your coffee get cold. Like metaphorically, if you do, or if it's really you, like when you walk by and like, oh, there it is. There's my coffee. But like, you just forget about it. Is my point. You forget about it. Or like even like I'm hearing the laugh, like your laugh that just gets like stuck in your throat because it never lands in your chest, right? Or like the routine with her at the bottom that you keep performing just so the room doesn't see the crack. Like, let your walls down, babe. I feel like because you're sitting here. I was just gonna say this: the Page of Swords upright, putting the signals out here because I feel like you're sitting here going like, why is nobody helping me? Why is nobody seeing like the red flares? Why is nobody's helping me? And you're in that feeling moment right now. You're in that headspace, and I feel like you have been sending out little signals with this, like little signals, like some small ones. It could be just kind of like shorter text messages back, shorter responses, like ha ha ha, lol, or I'm good, like when you're really not. Or I'm seeing like a meme, like a meme you posted that was like, that was the red flare. But people saw that meme or whatever you posted and they're like, oh, she's fine. Like, she's got this, right? The Spirit says that hinting is not the same as asking for help. You're allowed to ask for help. We saw judgment earlier. Spirit's saying one thing here. Let your walls down. There's your happiness. There's your friend. Oh my God. Pick one person tonight or tomorrow morning, whenever this finds you. I gotta go to bed. Send one thing. Send one sentence. I'm not okay right now. I'm not okay right now. No backstory. No emoji. No. Like let somebody meet you where you're at. And you're not being dramatic. You're being heard. That was it. Let me know if this resonates. Whoever that's for. Okay. Good night.